Hi there, crafting and YouTube friends. I'm back with another pile of beautiful napkins from Vippies Designs. But before I show them to you, I want to give you a quick look at my last project where I took these cotton bags and napkins. I got these from Vippies Designs, and I was able to decoupage and transform them into these beautiful, cute little bags that you can put flowers in, and it wasn't hard to do. If you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. I've got lots of videos. Share with your friends, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell for future notifications. Now, let's look at those napkins. This cute little napkin has little yellow floral, maybe dandelions with little bees. So pretty. And all 4 panels are printed, and you're going to get 2 of those. That comes as a set. Now, I know how you love the lemons. This one is really pretty with that black and white check on the background. And you know what? You're going to get 2 of this one as well. So that comes in a set. Here's another pretty floral. It's got a nice pink background. All 4 panels are printed, and you're going to get 2 of that one as well. Dragonflies are so popular, and look at the size of these and those beautiful pastel wings. And when you open it up, all 4 panels are printed, and you can see the dragonflies extend over the creases, which is great. And you're going to get 2, also great. Back to some more lemons. Look how pretty that is with that blue check, and it's got the dark blue border, and all 4 panels are printed. Very pretty. Here's another lemon. As a matter of fact, this also comes in the dinner size. It's very similar to that. It's got the same image with that beautiful blue border. These napkins with the scallop edge are so popular. These are some more that Vippies has just brought in. This is a smaller size. It's got nice deep colors. You can see all the florals and the butterflies. Really, really pretty. I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. That napkin is so beautiful that Vippies brought it in a larger size. It's got the scallop down there along the bottom. And I'm going to open it up so you can see this beautiful deep blue background. I love that with all of the flowers, the bright colors in the flowers. And this pattern extends across the entire napkin, which means nothing is cut off. If you want to do a sign or decoupage something big, that's the kind of napkin that you want. Love that scallop. Here's another napkin. This is very similar to the small one I showed you in the beginning. And also all 6 panels are printed. Next up is one that is just like the first one I showed you, but this one is in the larger size. It's got yellow flowers and some dandelions and some cute little bees, and all 6 panels are printed. Here's another large-sized, guest-sized napkin. Vippies has this in the smaller size as well with the really pretty dandelions, and I love the little pink flowers and the purple border. Very summery, like midsummer, late summer. And I'm going to open it up and show you that all 6 panels are printed. Very, very pretty. Now, if you are into that country French, you're going to love this napkin. That stark white background with the blues. So pretty. One of my members actually decoupaged her entire tea set using these blue and white country French napkins. And of course, this image extends all the way across, which is perfect for that kind of project. Love that napkin. Very, very pretty. Moving on to another floral, this is one of my favorite napkins, and Vippies actually has this in several different sizes, but this napkin kind of has a surprise, and these are the kind of napkins I absolutely love. It's a good surprise, right? When you open it up, it's a whole bouquet of flowers. Look how pretty that is with all different roses, and it looks like either a butterfly bush or maybe it's lilacs. So pretty. A lot of you love owls, so Vippies is bringing more owls in. This one is very serious looking. What's he thinking about? Birds also very popular. This is a nice gray background, very pretty little bird. And let's see, we'll open it up. And all 4 panels are printed. Speaking of birds, they brought in another one. This one has a little birdhouse, a little green birdie house. Again, birds very, very popular. This would be you could use this as wall art. I mean, seriously, just frame this and hang it up on the wall. It's so pretty. Okay, next up, look at the little birdie. This one, okay, again, speaking of French, this I would call like Paris apartment, right? It's very pretty. It's got all these little squares. You know, you could take them and make them into little refrigerator magnets. Just decoupage them on a piece of cardstock. It's very pretty. And I believe all 6 panels are printed. That gives you lots of squares. More florals, another beautiful, I'm going to say that's probably a rose, and you're going to open it up and you're going to see that the rose goes all the way across the napkin. All 4 panels are printed. Now the next floral, very interesting. This is wisteria vine, and on it are these little birds. And again, this is just wonderful. I love when I see this in a napkin. The picture is extended and all the little birdies are in the tree and they're hiding among all this wisteria. It's so pretty. Look at all the little birdies. All right, so that means, of course, all 4 panels are printed. Now, there's a famous movie out there, you know, from down south, Tomorrow's Another Day. Well, this napkin absolutely reminds me of that movie, and I'm sure we all know that classic. And it's very pretty. I love the black against the gray. Very pretty little leaf. This one is so special. When I say some napkins are special, this is one of them. It's very pretty. It's beautiful scenery. And when you flip it over, it actually has 2 different designs. But this is the wonderful thing about napkins like that. Look, when you open it up, 2 panels are going to give you one whole picture. You see the bridge and it goes over there into the shops. Again, this is another napkin. Just put it in a frame and hang it on the wall. It's just so pretty. There's just nothing else you can do with that. All right, here's another famous Impressionist artist look. I believe it's not actually one of his paintings. And if you open it up, all 4 panels are printed. That's very pretty. It's like a wheat field, I think, right? Love the clouds. Here's another scenic one with a little house. I'm going to hold it up. It's a very soft watercolors, I guess along what you would call an impressionist look. Maybe a little bit too defined, but very pretty. Here's another. I love this one. It's called Visitors, and they're walking through these beautiful field, and you can see the little people, but look back, there's a little house as well. That's very, very pretty. And I love that border. That border is actually gold and red. It really makes it a very, very elegant napkin. I'm hoping I'm holding this up close enough so you can see. And I'm going to open it up. And yes, all 4 panels are printed. So that gives you 4 pictures. Here's something a little bit different. Home and the cat. It's got all these little images on it. Probably something good if you like to do small things like rocks and stones. You can cut the napkin apart. And of course, if you like cats, this one is perfect for that. And I love the black on the gray. This is really my kind of napkin. I love the beach. Maybe you love the beach too. And that's what this reminds me of, with that turquoise plank back with welcome and all of the cute little birdie houses on the bottom. Very pretty. Welcome. That'd be a good sign, right, to put by your front door. Here's another one of those napkins. It's so special. Look at all those beautiful buildings. I guess it's houses, right? And it runs along the water, and there's little boats that are along these houses too. But again, look at this. When you open it up, I'm going to show you, you get one big picture. 2 panels gives you all those buildings and all the boats that run along the river. So pretty. Again, this is something, just frame it and you can use it as wall art. So each napkin is going to give you 2 of those. All right, we're going to move back into lemons, and Vippies has this also in the luncheon size, very, very popular, so they brought it in the larger size as well. And let's open it up, and I believe all 6 panels are printed, and as well, the image is extended all the way across, so nothing is cut off along those creases. Again, perfect for the larger projects that you want to do. And look, a little sneak peek at what I did. I mean, I just said large, and here I'm showing you something really tiny. But I do that with my scraps. Here's another lemon. This one is different than that. It has some florals with it and some leaves. Different than the other one though, right? We're going to open it up, and let's take a look and see if all 6 panels are printed. And yes, they are. Another lemon. Can you get enough lemons? I don't think so. This one is very pretty. It's got like a sketchy look to it. If you like to do jars or bottles, this would be perfect for that. It's nice and large, and let's see, nothing is cut off along the creases, so you're getting one continuous pattern. Love that. Beautiful napkins. This next napkin, I'm going to say this is one of my favorite napkins, new napkins with the lemons, sweet lemon farm and market. I'm definitely thinking coasters, coasters for your cups or glasses of lemonade, right? That would be perfect. The next lemon napkin, I would say this is a little bit different. It's collagey. It's got the vintage look of the bird cage with a little birdie and that ledger printed in the background in black, and all four panels on that are printed. Another sunflower. Sunflowers are very, very popular, and I have a project coming up for this exact napkin. It's very, very pretty, and let's take a look and see. Yes, all four panels are printed, so you have to wait and see that beautiful project. This is a nice, I'm going to say again, midsummer, late summer napkin. It's got a pretty, I guess that background is like a marble. And when you open it up, you're going to see that the two panels will extend into each other. Look how rich and beautiful those flowers are. They're so pretty. So you're going to get two then, right? Four panels, but it's going to give you two complete pictures. Now, this picture to me, this napkin is just summer, the coneflowers and the marigolds. It's really, really pretty. It's got a pale aqua background and all four panels are printed. Love that. This next napkin definitely is what I would call an early fall napkin. It's got acorns and some, it looks like pine cones. And when you open it up, all six panels are printed. And I'm telling you, that is perfect for a jar. Would look really, really good decoupaged on a jar. Okay, I showed you a lot of Vippies napkins, but you know what comes up next? Here's my project. I got some coaster-sized wood blanks from Vippies Designs, but I'm not going to be making a coaster. I'm going to be making a little sign. So I gave it one quick coat of white paint. This is white chalk paint. Just use any white paint that you have. You only need to do one coat. Once it's dry, we're going to move on to putting on some Mod Podge. I'm using the matte Mod Podge. I'm going to do two coats, and I'm going to let it dry. Here's the napkin that I'm going to be using, and I just showed you this was part of Vippies haul I just did. And we're going to remove one of the panels. I already used two, so now I have one panel left. I'm going to put a little Mod Podge between my fingers, go up there in the corner, press my fingers together, and I'm going to remove that top layer. That's the printed layer of the napkin. That's the layer that we decoupage with. So now I'm going to be using the iron-on method. There's my Cricut iron. I love to use that. I've got the link below if you want to purchase one. There's how you turn it off and on, and it's got 3 different heat settings. All right, so I'm just going to line that up the best that I can. I'm going to kind of move it around till I get it in a place that I want. This is something you should do as well. This is parchment, baking parchment paper that protects the iron and it protects the napkin. So what's going on? The iron is melting the glue, and now the napkin is going to adhere perfectly to that wood square. All right, let's take a look. Oh, that looks great. Now we got to remove that edge, and we're going to do that with a regular nail file. Just going to do a downward stroke all the way around until the entire piece comes off. Let's take a look. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, there you go. I put some flowers on. Look how pretty that is. And I also added this little hanger. It was so easy to do. All I did was take some wire there so you can see. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and I twirled it around a pen, and I just kind of pulled it apart. And then, of course, I attached it to the wood. And I added a little bit of brown paint so it looks a little bit rustic. All right, but I'm not done. Look at this. These are little calendar pads. I get them from Vippies Designs. I'm going to turn it over, and you're going to see there is a self-stick strip back there. Look, and all I have to do is stick it down just like that. So easy. What do I have? I have a perfect little gift, usable decor that I can give to friends and family and neighbors, and it was so simple. Here's another idea. I used a different napkin of a mermaid, and I framed it with some rope. Maybe you know somebody who likes mermaids or nautical. Take a look through your napkins, and of course you can always go to Vippies Designs. They have lots and lots of napkins. And I'm adding another cute little calendar. It's self-stick. Look how pretty that is. This would really be a great gift. Vippies carries these little calendars in 3 different sizes. This is the smallest one. Look how cute it is. It has 12 separate pages. And this one fits perfect on Vippies' little wood bookmarks. I actually made that the same way as I made the little signs. Look at that. It's going to fit perfect. And let's stick it down. Look how nice that is. This is a really cute, usable gift that you can give stocking stuffer, right? Friends, family, people that you work with. If you like doing projects like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Give me a thumbs up. This is a great video to share with your friends. Well, that's another beautiful haul of napkins from Vippies Designs, and I included a bonus project where I used Mod Podge and one of the napkins, and I created this cute little sign, and I added one of Vippies' little calendar pads, which come in 3 different sizes. Now, if you want to see more of Vippies napkins, go to their website, www.vippies.com. You can see these and many more napkins. Now, in my very next video haul, I'm going to have two announcements to give you, some very special things coming up. They will be announced on Vippies' Facebook page, so make sure you go there and you follow along with, and like, of course, Vippies on their Facebook page, and go to my Facebook page too. I have an artist page, and you can also join my group page, Decoupage DIY with Joan-Marie Domino.